The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control automatic. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.